Welcome back, beautiful souls. It's time to nourish yourselves from within, unlocking the incredible power we hold to manifest positive change in our lives. Our mind, body, and soul are intricately connected, influencing one another in profound ways. When we acknowledge and nurture each aspect, we can unlock the potential for true holistic well-being. In this video, we'll explore the power of healing affirmations, which are positive statements that we consciously repeat to ourselves, empowering our mind, rejuvenating our body, and soothing our soul. Remember, the power lies within you, and by embracing these affirmations, you can awaken your true potential and create a life filled with joy, abundance, and love. Repeat each affirmation after me. But before we begin, take a deep breath in and now exhale. My mind, body, and soul are in perfect harmony and alignment. I am worthy of love, healing, and inner peace. I am capable of healing myself mentally, physically, and spiritually. I release any negative energy and invite healing energy to flow through me. I am open to receiving the healing energy of the universe. I trust in the innate wisdom of my body to heal itself. My mind is calm, clear, and filled with positive thoughts. I nourish my body with healthy foods, exercise, and self-care. I release any emotional burdens that hinder my healing. I am grateful for my body's ability to heal and regenerate. I let go of past traumas and embrace a future filled with healing and joy. I release any limiting beliefs that could hold me back from true healing. I listen to the needs of my body and give it the rest and care it deserves. I choose to surround myself with positive and supportive relationships. I am gentle with myself during the healing process. I attract experiences and people that contribute to my healing journey. I embrace self-love and practice self-compassion as I heal and grow. I release any past hurt or grievances. I give myself permission to let go of what no longer serves me. I release any resistance to change and welcome transformation. I trust in the process of healing and have faith that I am exactly where I need to be. I am a powerful creator. I am capable of manifesting optimal health and well-being. I embrace embrace balance in my life that nurtures my mind, body, and soul equally. I release any patterns of self-sabotage and replace them with healthy habits. I am grateful for the lessons learned through my healing journey. I am deserving of abundant health, happiness, and wholeness. I am connected to the divine energy that flows through me. And so it is.